In order for you to be successful, you need to consider some factors. One is self-discipline. Self-discipline starts with you. It's not the other person. It starts with you. Self-discipline means it's doing what's right rather than doing what you feel. When you have decided to do something, do it. No excuses. Then you are self-disciplined. Discipline is not one-time event. You make discipline your lifestyle. Remember, only the disciplined ones are free in life. I repeat again. Only the disciplined ones are free in life. If you are in discipline, you are a slave to your moods. You are a slave to your passions. The best time to plant a tree was 25 years ago. The second and the best time is today. Plant the tree of self-discipline. Be comfortable with being uncomfortable, or being comfortable with being out of your comfort zone. To run a big marathon and win takes 5 months. But when I am in a starting line, my mind starts to run what I've been doing for the last 5 months. I believe in my trainings. I treat myself as the best one in that line. Because my mind tells me you are the best, and I am believing on what I have been doing for 5 months. And I can run free. I can run free. The scientists in the whole world are saying the first human being to run 2 hours or under 2 hours will be in the year 2075. 2075. We are still having 57 years for a human being to run 2 hours or under 2 hours. 57 years. But I have proved them wrong. I believe on myself and run unthinkable, the impossible.
This is history unfolding on the streets of Vienna this morning. It's a Saturday run like we've never seen before. Listen at the noise, the crowd getting right behind him. Goodness me, 300 meters to go. He can see the finish line here.
When your mind knows it's not going to quit, your body will adapt to whatever is in front of it.
This humble farmer who used to run 2 miles to school every day and back. He used to go to the nearest town on his bike to sell milk at the local market. And now, through hard work and discipline, he's pointing. Come on, he says. Eliud Kipchoge has the hand of history on his shoulder. He has less than 200 meters to go. Eliud Kipchoge, let's keep an eye on the clock, into the final 20 seconds. Eliud Kipchoge. Whoa! On his shoulder, 140, 140, the unofficial time.
There's his wife.
Eliud Kipchoge storms into the history books in Vienna.
We, as human beings, are capable of anything, and we don't need any special kind of parents or tools to get there. So I end you with this. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.